we use the highest quality of the hair. And as you see, I'm getting my own extensions done at this point. Having the fact that I've struggled with my own hair loss many years, now I get extensions. So one of the main thing when I started getting extensions were I wanted to preserve my own natural hair. And before I started putting hair on clients, I always wanted to try it first, even though I have dark hair. But I don't specifically, I never go and buy hair from a dealer. If you know anything about the hair industry, you can go specifically order from China, you can order from specific dealers. We use reputable companies who stand behind their product. And one of my main things is always try the method myself. I always wear the hair myself. I need to be able to stand behind my product and the method that I offer. So absolutely, everything that we do here, we test, we practice our own staff, our own team members, and before, in a way, bringing it to anybody else.